Hey guys, what's happening? How to get student discounts on Apple products in Australia. Scoring a sweet deal on Apple gear as a student in Australia, totally doable. Here's the lowdown. First, hit up the Apple's education store, apple.com/au _ edu/store. Okay, so make sure to hit up the Apple's education store. Apple's got a special spot for just for students. Dive into their Australian education store to snag discounts for Macs, iPads, and more. No need to jump through the hoops. Apple doesn't always ask for proof, but it's smart to have your student ID handy just in case. Okay. Next, time it right with back to school perks. From January 8th to March 13th, 2025, Apple's running a killer promo, right? Grab an eligible Mac and score free iPad, or pick up an iPad and get an Apple Pencil on the house. Plus, there is 20% cut on Apple Care Plus. Mark those calendars. Next, team up with Student Edge, right? Join Student Edge for extra savings. They have already teamed up or partnered with Apple to offer members up to 300 of 300 AUD off selected products. Okay, if you want to go, just go ahead to Student Edge. Right, and you're gonna be able to get discounts for Apple products. Right, membership's free, so why not? Next, what you're gonna do, basically stack those savings. Right, keep an eye out for discounted Apple gift cards at local retailers. Okay, using these on top of your student discount, cha-ching. Also, some cashback sites might offer deals on Apple buys. Just peep the fine print to make sure everything lines up. Okay. Lastly, know the rules. Apple's got some guidelines. Who's in? Uni students 18 plus, parents buying for bound kids, and educators. A limit: one desktop, Mac Mini, or laptop per year, 2 iPads and accessories annually. By playing it smart and staying in the loop, you can snag those Apple goodies without emptying your wallet. Happy shopping! So, we will catch you in the next time.